Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry, and today is Thursday, May the 30th, 2019. The time is 2:30 a.m. GMT. Okay, so today we're gonna be looking at the Dow Jones. This is a short-term chart, 15 minutes, and we can see right here we have with 2 ended at 25,720. From there, the decline is in 5 waves, ending with 3 here at this low, and we are in the wave 4. Okay, correction to correct this entire decline right here. Now we already did the 3-ways bounce here. Looks like a zigzag ABC, and it hit the 100% and start to reverse on the downside. Now the reaction to the downside is still kind of minimal at this point, so still at this point not yet fully confirmed if this is really completed. Now of course we have to break below here to suggest that the next leg lower has really started. Otherwise it still can make another high in the shorter cycle, right? It still can do, let's say, 1 2 3 4 5. It can do a diagonal 5 waves ending with A here, and then with a B and C like this. For example, this is an alternate before turning lower, right? So this is a possibility right here. Now of course that possibility exists, and as far as it stays below here, we are still looking for the downside anyway, even if we do get a new high above this previous peak here. But currently we are calling the most aggressive view, since we already had the 3-ways bounce, so we are calling the most aggressive view, calling this wave 4 completed. And now if so, then we should be looking to resume lower again tomorrow, alright, and also on Friday to go to the downside. Now if you guys recall, the last time we sort of provided an update on the Dow Jones is not really too long ago, right? This one was in this one is in May 23rd, right? In the May 23rd, we're saying that rally should fail. This is only a few trading days ago. We are calling for a bounce here to fail and looking for the downside. You can see it. Let me zoom it. So as far as the bounce stays below 25,952, this bounce should fail and then looking lower. Now if you look here in the 4-hour chart, 25,952, which is this one, this P here, 25,952 P here is is this P right here, right? This is the 4-hour chart, and it did this bounce here, the one that we show in the video a few days ago. This bounce fell below that 25,952 as expected, and then starts to turn lower again, right? So if anybody was selling it earlier this week, for example, then you should already be in profit now, since we have already extended lower, and now the Dow has already broken below this previous low, right? So now we got from this peak, May the 1st, it looks like we either have a ABC or we can also have a 1 2 3, depending on how strong this move is going to determine whether it is a C or is a 3, right? But you don't need to worry about whether it's a C or a 3. Elliott Wave Principle suggests that at the least, assuming if this is a conservative ABC, at the least ideally the C is going to be equal to the A, right? Relationship wise, so we should be looking for at least 24,400 here to the downside still from the YM, and any bounce, therefore we're still looking for the bounce to fail and YM to continue to see more downside. Again, from here we can either go to new low, or we can do even something like this. This is what we call a double zigzag. If we do something like this, then that means this ABC ended a W and this is your X, and then you have to measure again a new 3 swings, and then still expected to turn lower again as far as it stays below 25,720. Okay, so at this stage we are calling the most aggressive view, but this view is only getting confirmation and validation only if it breaks below this previous low. If we don't get a break below previous low and we rally again, then this entire cycle, this structure to the upside is going to change, right? So I have provided two alternates in which this one can be a 5 ways up ending A and then B and C, or this can be double correction, this W, X and then Y before turning lower. So another two alternates, but either alternates and also this one suggests that as far as it fails below here, we are still looking for the downside in the Dow Jones, with a target to 100% of this ABC. So I hope this video is helpful for further updates, and also if you want to know more forecasts on other instrument, feel free to join us. We have 14 days free trial. I will provide the link from the free trial in the description of the video. We also got a free seminar this coming Saturday, June the 1st. For those of you who are new to Elliott Wave, we're going to be covering the basic structures, like impulse, motive wave, corrective waves, zigzag, and all those things. Also talking about the Fibonacci ratio and things like that. So it's only suitable for those who are new and want to get want to understand a little bit. And you can always ask your questions, type in the box as well. It's June the 1st, Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern time. So I'll look forward to see many of you guys this Saturday. All right. So otherwise, see you again next time tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.